Good morning, everyone. My name is Adaptability. I discovered that since the COVID-19 lockdown, in my environment, this is Agbado in Ogun State, I've discovered that in my garden and in the environment, there is a change in nature. This place used to be a beehive of birds. As you can see, there are different plants. We have coconut trees, and we have banana plants, we have guava, we have pawpaw, we have lemongrass, we have lemongrasses around. And my observation is that since the lockdown, or since activities have reduced, birds like the queen birds, popularly known as the rikoko in Yoruba language, and the other doves, like we call it in Yoruba, we call them yeli. Even the sky. To me, my observation is that the sky has also changed. Birds like eagles, like um, owls, and many other birds. I observe even lizards and other living organisms around. Their activities have increased. Maybe the sense that there is a problem globally, and animals are very sensitive, unlike humans. They themselves went into hiding, but humans, we are just going about. So what I think is that we should learn from animals, and we should isolate as they've done too, so that the pandemic can reduce. So let's help ourselves in this COVID-19 pandemic. Let's reduce our walking about, just like I have observed in nature. Even nature itself is cool. Before, this is few minutes to 10. Before, by now, everywhere will be full of birds, particularly these birds, these trees, these coconut trees. They will be full of birds, and even the poles around. But it's like the birds have caught the signals, and they too have gone into hiding. So humans, I want to advise, let's keep to the health regulators, the health ministry's warning that we should all go into self-isolation. We should avoid unnecessary gathering. There should be social distancing. We should cover our noses and our mouth while sneezing and coughing. And we should observe some personal hygiene. So let's try to do this to save our planet. Animals, birds, flies, insects can observe this and go into hiding. Please, let's try as much as we can. We are the life sustainer on the planet. Thank you very much. Thanks for viewing.